Add bank account. In this video, we will discuss how to add a bank account in QuickBooks Online. You can add bank accounts from chart of accounts. You can select transactions, select chart of accounts, click new button. Here you can enter the bank name, bank account name. You can enter the bank name or you can enter the account number. Or if you have different banks in different bank accounts in same bank, you can enter account number with the bank account, bank name, or you can enter 001 or 002 like that. You can enter the bank account name. I'll enter bank with the bank account number. Next, from account type, you need to select cash and cash equivalent, and detail type you can select the bank. So like this, you can create bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. Next, if you have any taxes, you can select tax code, and after that you can enter opening balance. If this account has opening balance, you can enter the opening balance and as of date, opening balance date, and you can select currencies. If you are using any foreign currencies, you can select that currency, or you can select the home currency. You can enter description for this account. This is a new account creation, and after that you can save this bank account. If you want to create new account, another account, you can save a new, or you can save this account. Like this, you can create bank accounts.